Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Elite Stocks from Instagram. So today we're going to be focusing on how to make a lot of money on Robinhood in 2019. In 2018, I used a few methods that a lot of people don't use, um, and I think they're pretty interesting. You guys are interested in learning. So basically, I'm recording both my desktop screen and my phone screen. First, we're gonna look off at my profits. It's like really weird. It says like numbers that I never had, but basically I 100%ed in about a month, a little bit over a month. Yes, October 27th. At one time I was 137%, but yeah. Um, but I haven't traded since I got focused on school and stuff. But I'm gonna get back into it this month. Um, So one of the techniques I used that really helped me was looking at what amateurs were saying about stocks. If you're not in a stock group, so if you're not in a stock group, or now this is gonna sound weird, listening to what amateurs think about stocks, like nobody's. But the thing is, you want to know what's getting hyped up if you're day trading penny stocks or just day trading in general. So what I would go to is I'd go to the cryptocurrency section, and that's the only section on Robinhood that has the chat. And on the desktop version, there is no chat for Bitcoin, just news. But if you have the mobile version, go to the chat. And what I like to do is look at what everyone's buying. So before I saw like ABG or something like that, not AMD. A lot of people are talking about ACB. A lot of people are talking about ACB. So what we could do is we could go look. ACB. It's a weed stock. It looks like it's teeter-tottering. I actually wouldn't buy this because it looks like it's about to dip really bad. But because it shot up really well in the morning. But what you could do is you see the hype. As you could tell, it's already been hyped for a little bit too long. So these people who are talking about it now know nothing. But what you want to do is you don't want to actually take these people's advice. You just want to know what stocks are being hyped, because if a lot of people are buying a stock, you definitely want to buy it. So of course ACB right now is not a good purchase, but in the morning it would have been. So if you saw a lot of people in the morning hyping it up, you go look at the news, see if anything in the news is promoting valid reason to buy it. You look at the chart, you see, try to buy it at a certain pattern that you like to buy stocks at, and that's about it. If you're new to trading, I have a code to join and get a free stock when you join. Anything from like a $5 stock to a Apple stock of like 150. Let's see how much Apple is right now. When you sign up, you could get anywhere between like a $5 stock to $153 Apple stock. It depends on basically like random choice. But if you sign up with my code, you get a free stock. You could sign up without my code if you want. You just don't get a free stock. I'm going to be posting more videos in the future. I hope you guys subscribe, like the video. That's about it. Let me know what else you guys want to learn. Comment something. And yeah, that's about it. Peace.